Good evening. This is Andrew Meyer again with Project Inanna. As you see, I actually have a good share of Inanna built here in front of me. You see the lift motor in its duct housed in the superstructure, the skirt having been modified for the new hole, and pretty much everything is running more or less. I have the same Arduino here with a potentiometer to control throttle, so I can show you a lift test. So let's get this started. So, as you can see, I'm running at a very slow speed. It's actually slow enough that it's reacting with the frame rate on my camera to make that propeller look like it's going backward. This is not nearly enough lift even to inflate the skirt, as you see, so we'll crank it up a little bit. So now the skirt itself is inflated very weakly, but there's not enough air to lift. So we keep turning it up, turning it up. We almost have lift. This is close to lifted. I think that if this were better balanced, yeah, if we balance this a little better, this is actually off the ground, but the battery's a little heavier, making it a little front heavy at the moment, so we're not quite off the ground yet. A little more power, and we're off the ground. So now we're positively off the ground. You can see the wind is actually blowing it around pretty nicely, but the minute it hits the grass it stops. So that's at full speed. The wind is actually pretty strong today. So full power is actually quite a lot of lift. Let's see if it'll go across the grass. It appears to be a little bit too much of a lift. No, the grass appears to be just a little bit too much for it. Now, one thing I am noticing is there is a lot of air coming back up through the duct. So I'm guessing that back pressure means that there's too small of a hole underneath where it exits the air duct. So if we flip this over a little bit here, you can see that air duct hole is a bit small, perhaps. So by making that larger, I hope to get a little more lift out of this. So until next time, this is Andrew Meyer with Project Inanna.